Hey guys, techmadeezy, and thank you so much for clicking on our video. Guys, in this video, we're going to be doing PSI tests. I'm going to be testing the 40 degree, the 25 degree, and the 15 degree nozzles to see what they get on low, medium, and high. Will we get 3,200 PSI? I guess we'll find out. Let's get this party started. Hi, it's Al from techmadeezy with a real quick message. I just want to let you know the video you're about to watch is not sponsored. We went out and bought the products ourselves. So, if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. It definitely helps. Share our video. And lastly, we hope you subscribe to our channel and become a part of the family. Thank you. All right, guys, we are not using a bucket. We're actually going to connect our hose this time. But we've got two 7.5 amp hour batteries. These are about 3/4 full. I checked them ahead of time. You can use 5 amp hour batteries. I think they even said you could use one battery, but then you won't be able to use turbo. So just keep that in mind. We're going to use this PSI gauge right here, right on the gun. I thought this would be the best place to put, the actual gauge. And that's it. We're going to jump right in and see what we get. All right, we're going to start the test. We're going to use the 40 degree. All right, that's what we're going to start the test with. As you can see, we've got the PSI gauge here. All right, we're locked currently. We're going to start on low and kind of see what we get. We'll go to high and we'll go to turbo with each of the nozzles. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn it on. All right, ready? That's about 750 PSI. Now let's go to high. And now it's high. I'm seeing 1250 on high. Let's go ahead and go on turbo. And now turbo. So that's 1800 on turbo. All right, let's try the 25 degree nozzle now. 25 degree nozzle. Okay. All right, let me make sure it's on low. Let's start off on low. All right, that's 900. Let's throw this on high. $1,400. Let's go to turbo, and I can switch this, by the way, while it's off. I can actually, if we can get in here, there it goes. So it does allow you to change the speeds while you're running it, but also when you're not running it. As you can see, our battery, we've got 3/4 battery. But let's put it on the next one. Okay, we are now on turbo. Unlocked. Let's see what we do. All right, that was 2150. Let's go ahead and try the 15 degree now. That's supposed to be the highest one. So let's try that. Okay, there's our 15 degree. And we are going to switch to low initially. Let's see what we get. Got 1050. Let's switch this to high. $1,700, that's what I saw, and let's switch this to turbo. All right, here we go. I get 2,600. That is what I get. You know, and you can't take the lance off because these tips won't fit on over here. They won't fit. Only the rinse nozzle will fit. All right, the turbo nozzle won't really do much, just so you'll know. I'll show you anyway, but it really won't do much because of the way it works. So like I said, the rinse nozzle won't fit here. It goes directly onto the gun, okay? And it's really not a high pressure. The turbo, I'll show you anyway, all right? Here's the turbo. We'll try that out. Okay, we're going to try turbo on low, and then what I'll do after I show you low is I'll show you the pattern real quick. So here we go. Just make sure we're on low. And you can see it really doesn't apply pressure, but you'll see the pattern in a minute. See how that works? Okay, we're going to try high now. What is that? That's like 7 1/4. It looked like 7 1/4. And let's go on turbo. Okay, there it goes. As you can see, no difference. And again, the pattern. All right, guys. Well, there you go. As you can see in our test, pretty interesting results. Let me know what you think. Put some comments down below. And definitely, please take a moment and give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Also, follow us on social media right up top. We got all of our channels up there. Check out our new Tesla channel in the upper right-hand corner. I will put Ego reviews right here because we've got a bunch of them. And if you want to subscribe to Tech Made Easy, well, go ahead and click the round logo right there, and you'll be able to subscribe and join the family. All right, guys? Thanks so much. Have a great day.